GIA just came in, so let's unbox it. So we spent a few $1,000s. There are 5 emeralds that we're going to go through. Oh, how I cannot wait to open these babies up. Our first report showcases a 13.22 karat Colombian emerald. We contain the details that we have an octagonal shaped, step cut, transparent green Colombian emerald, a natural species of Colombia, F2 treatment, which means moderate oil. GIA will always have its preview of what you're going to open up right here on the back. It's going to give you the report number, it's going to give you the color, the clarity, the species, which is the natural emerald, and it's going to give us the 1009 karat emerald. This is a 10.09, which is a Colombian emerald in F2. You definitely see its muso yellowish green color, and you can appreciate how clean the emerald is in the photo versus how stunning it is in real life. We have a 3.55 karat Colombian emerald and an F1 minor oil. This is a client certificate, so she's got to be very happy with the grading. It's an 1152 karat Colombian emerald, and I am so bummed out to see that it's an F3. If you look at the chart, F3 means significant clarity. That means it's at the highest scale of treatment for the emerald, because first